These 3 fruits you should be eating for breakfast to detox kidneys. Today, we're diving into the world of kidney-friendly fruits that pack a punch when it comes to detoxification. These fruits become your allies in supporting and prioritizing kidney health. But before we reveal these 3 superstar fruits, let's talk about why your kidneys deserve this extra attention. Maintaining kidney health is crucial because these vital organs cannot regenerate once damaged. Each kidney contains about 1 million tiny filtering units called nephrons, which work tirelessly to clean our blood. As we age, we may lose up to 20% of these nephrons, making proper diet and lifestyle choices essential for kidney health. The kidneys filter blood, which contains various substances from food, drinks, medications, and environmental pollutants. Nephrons must decide which substances to retain and which to eliminate. As we lose nephrons over time, it becomes increasingly important to support the remaining ones through proper nutrition and by avoiding harmful substances. Now, you might be wondering, how do I know if my kidneys are struggling? Well, that's the tricky part. Kidney disease often progresses without obvious symptoms until it reaches an advanced stage. Fatigue, swollen ankles, or changes in urination patterns could be subtle signs you're overlooking. But here's the good news: protecting your kidneys doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. In fact, spending just $1 on a kidney-friendly fruit could potentially improve your quality of life. It can be as simple as choosing the right fruits for your breakfast. These powerhouse foods can help flush out toxins, reduce inflammation, and support overall kidney function. So, what are these magical fruits? And how exactly do they work their detox wonders? Stay tuned, because we're about to unveil the top 3 kidney-friendly fruits that should be on your breakfast menu starting tomorrow. Discover how a small change in your morning routine could make a big difference in your kidney health. Let's dive in. 1. Blueberries, nature's kidney superfood. Did you know that blueberries are like a natural pharmacy packed with incredible benefits, especially for your kidneys? These tiny blue wonders are bursting with antioxidants, and the National Kidney Foundation has identified them as a top food for supporting kidney health. Let me tell you, the research on blueberries and kidney function is pretty impressive. Studies show these berries can be super helpful for managing chronic kidney disease and even reducing the risk of kidney stones. And get this, it's all thanks to those powerful antioxidants called anthocyanins. You see, anthocyanins don't just give blueberries their vibrant color, they also help prevent bacteria from sticking to the lining of your urinary tract. That means they can lower your chances of getting those pesky urinary tract infections that can really take a toll on your kidneys. But the benefits don't stop there. Recent research on mice even suggests that anthocyanins might be able to slow the progression of diabetic kidney disease. And get this, a study of nearly 1,000 women found that a high intake of anthocyanins was linked to lower blood pressure and less arterial stiffness. Since high blood pressure is a major risk factor for kidney disease, this is pretty huge. Blueberries are also chock full of other antioxidants like polyphenols that can help combat the oxidative stress that's at the root of so many kidney problems. In fact, a cup of cultivated blueberries contains around 919 antioxidants, while wild blueberries pack an impressive 13,000 per cup. That's a whole lot of kidney-protecting power in one little berry. The best part is that blueberries are super versatile and easy to add to your diet. Toss them in your morning smoothie, sprinkle them on your oatmeal, or just enjoy them as a refreshing snack. And if you can, go for organic or pesticide-free berries to avoid any nasty chemicals. So there you have it, blueberries are like a natural superfood pharmacy for your kidneys. With all those antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and kidney-friendly nutrients, it's no wonder these little blue gems are such a powerhouse for supporting your renal health. Time to stock up and get your blueberry on. 2. Watermelon, a kidney-friendly superfruit packed with benefits. The watermelon is like a natural superfood for your kidneys. This juicy, refreshing fruit is packed with nutrients and compounds that can help keep your kidneys happy and healthy. Let me explain it to you. First off, watermelon is composed of about 92% water, making it an excellent choice for staying hydrated, especially during hot weather. Proper hydration is crucial for kidney function as it helps flush out toxins and waste products from the body. So, if you're looking for a tasty way to stay hydrated, reach for some watermelon. But that's not all. Watermelon is also rich in antioxidants like lycopene, vitamin C, and glutathione. These powerful compounds help neutralize harmful free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, which can contribute to kidney damage. Studies suggest that the antioxidants in watermelon may help prevent kidney injury and even improve kidney function. Another cool thing about watermelon is that it's one of the best dietary sources of citrulline, an amino acid that gets converted to arginine in the body. Arginine helps dilate blood vessels and improve blood flow, which can be super beneficial for kidney health. Some research even indicates that citrulline from watermelon may help reduce muscle soreness and improve recovery after exercise. Now, I know what you might be thinking, but isn't watermelon high in potassium? Well, while watermelon does contain potassium, the amount per serving is relatively low compared to many other fruits. For people with kidney disease who need to limit potassium intake, watermelon can be a good choice in moderation. Watermelon also provides a small amount of fiber, which is important for digestive health and may help prevent constipation, a common issue for those with kidney problems. Fiber also helps slow the absorption of sugars, which can be beneficial for managing blood sugar levels. 3. Pineapple, a tropical treasure for kidney repair. Pineapple is a good source of dietary fiber, providing about 2 grams per 1 cup serving. Fiber helps regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation, which is a common issue for those with kidney problems. The water content in pineapple can help keep the digestive system hydrated, further supporting regular bowel function. This is important as dehydration is a concern for many with kidney disease. The bromelain enzyme found in pineapple also aids digestion by helping to break down proteins. This can be beneficial for kidney patients who may have difficulty digesting certain foods. This enzyme is a natural anti-inflammatory powerhouse that can help reduce swelling and pain associated with kidney issues. But that's not all. Bromelain also has the ability to dissolve kidney stones, making it a valuable ally in preventing and treating this painful condition. The fiber in pineapple is not only great for digestion, but it can also benefit those with kidney problems. Additionally, the enzymes in pineapple may help with fat burning, which can be especially helpful for those with kidney disease who are trying to manage their weight. By incorporating pineapple into your diet, you're getting a tasty way to support your digestive health and potentially aid in weight management. Also, pineapple is a kidney-friendly fruit because it is naturally low in potassium, sodium, and phosphorus. These minerals can be harmful to the kidneys when consumed in excess, especially for those with kidney disease. By choosing pineapple over other fruits higher in these minerals, you can help keep your kidneys happy and healthy. Pineapple is an excellent source of vitamin, which is essential for a strong immune system. A healthy immune system is crucial for fighting off infections and supporting overall kidney health. By adding pineapple to your diet, you're giving your body a delicious way to get the vitamin C, which is essential for maintaining optimal kidney function. Fiber and fat burning, a winning combination. 4. Cranberries, the kidney-saving superfruit you need in your life. Cranberries are an excellent choice for supporting kidney health due to their low sodium, potassium, and phosphorus content, making them ideal for a kidney-friendly diet. They are unique among fruits for being low in sugar, while rich in antioxidants like vitamin C, flavonoids, quercetin, anthocyanins, phenolic acids, and resveratrol. These compounds help fight oxidative stress, infections, and inflammation, which can negatively impact kidney health. Proanthocyanidins, PACs, in cranberries are particularly beneficial, combating oxidative stress and inflammation by neutralizing harmful free radicals that can damage kidney cells. This action helps protect and support overall kidney function. Cranberries have long been used to prevent and alleviate urinary tract infections, UTIs, which can strain the kidneys. UTIs often cause frequent or painful urination due to bacterial invasion, typically E. coli. While antibiotics are the standard treatment, many seek natural alternatives. Cranberries can be consumed as fresh fruit, juice, or supplements, but it's important to choose low-sugar options to maintain health benefits. A significant 2008 Cochrane review of 10 studies involving 1,494 participants found that cranberry products reduced UTI rates by 35% over a year. Cranberries prevent bacteria from adhering to urinary tract cells, making them effective for prevention but not treatment of established infections. Composed of about 87% water, cranberries also aid in hydration, crucial for kidney health. Water helps kidneys filter waste from the blood and produce urine. However, excessive fluid intake should be avoided to prevent edema or swelling. Incorporating fresh, organic cranberries into your diet can be easy and enjoyable. Add them to oatmeal or salads, snack on them raw, or blend them into smoothies. When selecting fresh cranberries, look for firm ones that bounce slightly and have shiny, deep red skin, indicating ripeness and higher concentrations of beneficial compounds. It's important to note that dried cranberries, while convenient, often contain added sugars and reduced nutrients compared to fresh or frozen berries. For maximum health benefits, always choose fresh or frozen cranberries. Regular consumption of cranberries can be an effective natural strategy to support kidney health and prevent UTIs. However, they should not replace medical treatment for established infections. By incorporating cranberries into a balanced diet, you can take advantage of their unique properties to promote overall urinary and kidney health. 5. Apples. Apples are a kidney-friendly fruit that can be an excellent choice for those managing kidney issues or reduced kidney function, as they are low in the key minerals that need to be monitored: potassium, sodium, and phosphorus, while being rich in a variety of other essential nutrients that can provide comprehensive benefits for kidney health. One of the standout features of apples is their high fiber content, particularly the soluble fiber pectin, which is particularly important for kidney health. Fiber can help reduce the risk of kidney stones and kidney diseases by enhancing gut health and reducing inflammation, while also aiding the kidneys in more efficiently processing and eliminating waste. Pectin, a type of soluble fiber found in apples, plays multiple roles. It not only helps control blood sugar levels but also supports weight management, both of which are beneficial for kidney health, as diabetes and obesity are significant risk factors for kidney disease. While some believe that pectin may also help the body eliminate heavy metals like lead, mercury, and arsenic by binding to them, the research in this area is still inconclusive. However, what is clear is that apples are packed with a variety of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that make them a comprehensive nutritional choice. In fact, a 2018 study involving 16 kidney patients who ate 2 Fuji apples daily for a week demonstrated an increase in their antioxidant levels without negatively affecting their potassium levels. This suggests that apples can be a safe and healthy addition to the diets of those with kidney concerns, contributing to overall well-being and kidney health maintenance. Apples are particularly rich in potent antioxidants like quercetin, catechin, anthocyanin, and chlorogenic acid, all of which are excellent for the kidneys as they help protect against inflammation and damage. Notably, quercetin has been shown to have the ability to help reduce blood pressure, a crucial factor as high blood pressure can damage the kidneys by causing the blood vessels within them to narrow and weaken. When it comes to incorporating apples into your diet to support kidney health, it's best to consume them fresh and whole. According to the Environmental Working Group, EWG, regular apples are ranked 8th on their list for high pesticide levels, so opting for organic or integrated pest management (IPM) apples is a smarter choice. These apples provide the most nutrients without the burden of toxic pesticides that can stress your kidneys. It's important to note that when you peel apples, you lose a significant amount of fiber and most of the antioxidants contained in the skin. Additionally, dried apples and store-bought clear apple juice often lack the beneficial vitamin C and fiber while containing added sugars, making them less ideal choices for kidney health. For the best quality and nutritional benefits, choose whole, organic apples. When selecting apples, look for ones with the stem still attached, as apples without a stem may spoil more quickly. While color isn't the only indicator of quality, it can guide you to the best choices. For red apples, look for ones with a green background mostly covered by red or pink-orange hues, as apples with full, vibrant colors have absorbed more sunlight and typically have a better flavor. Less colorful apples may still be good but are generally better suited for cooking. Now that you know the best fruits for kidney health, be sure to check out our next video, the daily habit you might never know that is damaging your kidneys. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.